Glencore has a significant geographical footprint and we have large areas of land that we need to manage. We have huge responsibilities and we take those responsibilities very seriously. We know the products that we mine add value to everyday life, but we also know that they cannot come at any cost. Rehabilitation is the method that we use to restore the land back to as close as possible to the pre-mining condition. Glencore does have a moral responsibility. I mean, mining has impacts, but we also have a commitment to mitigate or minimise that, and in some cases actually improve that, enhance that for communities post-mining. What we do is very, very important, but how we do it is more important.